You mean I can burn hundreds of extra calories a day without adding any workouts? The answer is yes, and it's really simple. My name is Callie Krispin, and I'm the general manager and a partner here at One on One. So let's talk about how we can burn these extra calories. It's done through a really easy process called NEAT, which is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. And simply put, it's just burning calories through your activities of daily life. So things like vacuuming, yard work, dusting, walking, these all count. Let's dive into some of the numbers. So 1 hour of cooking can burn about 100 calories. 30 minutes of vacuuming, dusting, housework like that, 150 calories. And if you spend 1 hour outside doing yard work, you can burn between 200 and 300 calories. When you put all of that together, you can burn up to 650 to 750 calories a day on top of a workout. Now, this is important. Formal exercise still matters for strength, mobility, and endurance. But if you want to get a little extra calorie burn in addition to your workouts, then move more. You'll feel better and your health will thank you for it. Subscribe to our blog and follow us on socials for more lifestyle, fitness, and nutrition tips.